बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे एमसीक्यूज़ ऑफ इंटरनल मेथड ऑफ क्वालिटी असेसमेंट। एमसीक्यूज़ नंबर 1, इमीडिएट फीडबैक इज provided by internal method, external method, none of these. The right option is internal method. Question 2, quality occur the product is in new product quality, state being free from defect, state being free from chemical. The right option is state being free from defects. MCQs number 3. Capacity planning is concerned with how much labor required, how many labor machines required, both. The right option is both. MCQs number 4. Dash are independently collected gross sample, duplicate sample, single sample, multiple sample. The right option is duplicate sample. MCQs number 5. In percent recovery formula, A stand for concentration of analyte added to spiked portion, concentration of analyte in unspiked portion, reagents. The right option is concentration of analyte added to spiked portion. MCQs number 6. Spike recoveries can be used for dash to evaluate performance, method blanks, field blanks, both. The right option is both. MCQs number 7. The known amount of concentration added to blank is dash times the method detection limit 5 to 50, 5 to 500, 50 to 500. Right option is 5 to 50. MCQs number 8. A systematic error due to transport result is unacceptable recovery of method blank, field blank, none of these. Right option is field blank. A systematic error in laboratory affects the recovery of field blank, method blank, both. Right option is both. Spike recoveries on samples are used to detect quantity, quality, systematic error. The option is systematic error. MCQs number 11. Samples are spiked in field at a concentration that is dash the analyte expected. 0 to 1 times, 1 to 10 times, 10 to 100 times. Right option is 1 to 10 times. MCQs number 12. If the recovery for a field spike is unaccepted, then the sample is spiked in laboratory, analyzed immediately, both. Right option is both. MCQs number 13. QA stand for quality assurance, quality adjustment, quality accuracy, quality addition. The right option is quality assurance. MCQs number 14. Which of the following an example of quality assurance? Documentation, validation, verification, software testing. The right option is verification. MCQs number 15. Spike recoveries on samples are used to detect quantity, quality, systematic error, random error. The right option is systematic error. Option 16. dr is equal to d over x1 plus x2 over 2 multiply 100 is used in analysis of duplicate sample, analysis of standard, spike recovery. The right option is analysis of duplicate sample. MCQs number 17. Field blank recovery is effect due to systematic error, defected, random error, none of these. The right option is systematic error. Question 18. In analysis of duplicate sample, dash is used. Glass sample, gross sample, both, none of these. The right option is gross sample. MCQs number 19. By dividing a single gross sample, dash is obtained. Duplicate sample, single sample, multiple sample, none of these. The right option is duplicate sample. Question 20. Supplied sample is method namely single sample, multiple sample, duplicate sample, none of these. Right option is duplicate sample. MCQs number 21. X1 and X2 represents dash in the internal method of quality. Reagent, duplicate sample, single sample, none of these. Right option is duplicate sample. MCQs number 22. The pair of duplicate is represented by DI, DR, DF, DA. The right option is DI. MCQs number 23. Signal, signal for distribution is corrected by use of acid, use of base, use of blank, use of reagent. The right option is use of blank. MCQs number 24. Systematic error comes due to broken glassware, poorly calibrated instrumentation, contaminated water. The right option is poorly calibrated instrumentation. MCQs number 25. Positive determinate error is produced by residual of analyte reagent sample. None of these. The right option is analyte. MCQs number 26. Another name for duplicate sample created from a single gross sample. Divide sample, spread sample, break sample, single sample. The right option is spread sample. MCQs number 27. Result for duplicate sample is reported by determining the dash between two samples. Strength, frequency, difference, same. The right option is frequency. Question 28. D is equal to dash in internal method. X1 plus X2, X1 over X2, X1 minus X2, X1 multiply X2. The right option is X1 minus X2. MCQs number 29. We can estimate dash using result for a set of n duplicate. Standard deviation X hat X arithmetic mean. The right option is standard deviation. MCQs number 30. DI is ith pair of blank, ith pair of duplicate, first pair. The right option is ith pair of duplicate. MCQs number 31. Degree of freedom for standard deviation is sum as number of duplicate samples, sum as number of single samples, sum as gross samples. The right option is sum as number of duplicate samples. MCQs number 32. By combining duplicate samples from several sources, the precision of measurement must be approximately same, opposite, different, some changes. Right option is different. MCQ 33. By the use of blank, we can correct signal for distribution, signal for contribution, decreasing the concentration. The right answer is signal for contribution. MCQ number 34. The most common blank is field blank, method blank, gross glass, none of these. Right answer is method blank. MCQ number 35. Concentration of analyte is determined for field blank, method blank, both, none of these. The right option is both. MCQ number 36. In method blank, we take an analyte free sample by using some reagent, glassware and instrumentation, different reagent and glassware, broken glassware. The right option is some reagents, glassware and instrumentation. MCQ number 37. A method blank allows you to identify and correct systematic error, analysis all process, make products. The right option is identify and correct systematic error. Question 38. Systematic error comes due to odd reagent, purities in reagent, impurities in reagents. The right option is impurities in reagent. Option 39. Question 39. Whenever we prepare a new reagent, the method blank is analyzed to maximum, minimum, equal, different. The right option is minimum. MCQs number 40. Systematic error occurs due to contaminated glassware, broken glassware, analyzed glassware. Right option is contaminated glassware. MCQs number 41. Regular analysis of method blank provide sample, product, ongoing monitoring, none of these. Right option is ongoing monitoring. MCQs number 42. For solution of potential systematic error is regular analysis, irregular analysis, transport, none of these. The right option is regular analysis. MCQs number 43. The correct potential sampling error. While collecting the sample, we need single blanks, additional blanks, duplicate blanks. The right option is additional blanks. MCQ number 44. An alert-free sample is carried from laboratory to sampling site of laboratory, lab to school. The right option is laboratory to sampling site. MCQ number 45. At sampling site, the blank is transferred to a clean sample container, contaminated container, glassware. The right option is clean sample container. MCQs number 46. One of the most important quality assessment tool is recovery of non-addition, recovery of new blanks, making of products. The right answer is recovery of non-addition. MCQs number 47. Spike recovery is important in chromatography, external quality assessment, internal quality assessment. The right option is internal quality assessment. Question 48. Internal method of quality assessment also includes chromatography, spike recovery, blank test. The right option is spike recovery. MCQ number 49. Quality health check on manufacturing, measure of excellence, product, blank production. The right option is measure of excellence. Which technique is helpful to enhance the quality? Quality control, assessment, both. The right option is both. Thank you.